Hey Tanner X, good morning. I was just wondering, where the heck is everybody? Oh. Hmm. Oh, maybe I should have had an energy drink this morning. I feel kind of tired. Hey, Selector. Mm, I could be better. Apparently, waking up at like 3 or 4 in the morning every night can be attributed to like my deviated septum, which has been really bad lately. Like I haven't been able to breathe through my right nostril when I lay down. It's very annoying. Hey, Amika. Hey, Wami. Turmeric powder doesn't really do a whole lot. I thought I might be able to use those like breathe right strips, but man, they hurt. They're like uncomfortable to put on my nose. Hey, Ball City. What's up? Yeah, but I don't know if a CPAP machine would help because it's obstructive, right? It's airway obstruction. It's not that can be fixed actually with surgery. The ENT mentioned this to me before, but like it didn't seem problematic enough to like go through with it. But now it's like it's kind of the whole point of it. Really? I thought sleep apnea was like a CPAP machine was like because there's like two types of sleep apnea, isn't there? There's obstructive, and then there's like the other one. I thought a CPAP machine was for the other one, whereas like, oh, I don't know. Obstructive and the other one. Oh, okay. I see. Hmm. Hey, server root. What's up? You're gonna take up the mantle of being my sole YouTube chatter today? Feels like winter today, boy. So, I really fucked up. Apparently, I spent like $2,600 in the past like couple of weeks. Hello, Tanner X from YouTube. I see you. On what? Good question. I was looking at my credit card statement yesterday. I bought a coat, and one of my medications is really expensive, and I've got a bunch of subscriptions that I don't use. So I was canceling a few of those last night. Mostly it's just like random little stuff. Bills. I guess like yeah, I do have all my bills come off my credit card. But still though, it's quite jarring to see. I was just like, what the fuck? Not happy. Really not happy. Groceries too. Yeah, this like problem of buying groceries and then I eat like almost none of them because I don't want to eat them. Yeah. I have like I have a credit card that has like airline miles or whatever. Yeah. So I need to go back to my never trying not to eat out challenge, I guess. Eat bland chicken and rice every day or some shit. I don't know. Ugh. I'm not gonna lie, I think I hate drinking coffee now. I'll drink a coffee and like nothing happens. I'm like, ah, great, cool. It's like not at all affected. Well, there was a time when I was doing really, really good, not like eating out or anything. But basically since I came back from New Brunswick, like I just feels like my life has been a shit show, right? With the flood and everything. And then like going to New Brunswick screwed up all of my financial plans for the next like few months. So like I'm just kind of like, well, Great. I guess I'll just do the cycle of, work a job you don't like and buy stuff to feel okay in the short term. Shut up, Master Ev. Okay, I realized it this morning when I hit stream, when I hit go live. And now I spoke with the guy about the flooring, and he said I'm gonna have to be out of the apartment for 4 or 5 days. Like, are you fucking kidding? Like, just this is not just like where I sleep. This is my office too. Like, this is where I work all day, every day. So like, me going somewhere for a week is incredibly disruptive. Like, fucking shit. I've just about had it, actually. Like, I might just move out. Like, I don't. Yeah, it's not the cost that I care about. It's the opportunity cost, right? Hey, bedroom. Like, it's not the monetary cost that's really like worrying me. It's the fact that, like, I don't know, strangers are gonna be in my apartment for like a whole week, and I'm not gonna be able to stream for a whole week again because a fucking hotel doesn't have good internet, and I can't bring all my streaming equipment to a co-working space, right? Oh my god. Out of work. As like, I can do like client work, but like I can't stream. That's just the frustrating thing. Like 1 or 2 days would have been fine, and that's what they told me originally was 1 or 2 days. Cause it's a fucking studio apartment, like it's not like a whole house. Oh, I'm so mad about it. And I keep getting worked up about it too. Like, I think at some point I'm just gonna like have to put my foot down and be like, this is done or I'm out. Like, I can't. Well, yeah, like I've got to leave because they're gonna have to like move everything around all the time, right? Um, and there's gonna be a bunch of dust in here, and contractors actually just don't give a shit about the people that live and the things that they fix. So, um, I don't know, they might just like dump a bunch of asbestos on me or something. Because contractors are literally the fucking worst people on the earth. Like, I don't think you understand how much I fucking hate contractors. I hate them all. They're all shitty. They never give a fuck. For up to me, I would never hire contractors. Ever. Or I would, but they would have to be like incredibly good. I need some water. Hang on. That's true. I am a contractor. Yes. Yes, yes, you guys are right. I am a contractor technically. But not like them. Maybe did I get conned? Maybe. You may have gotten conned. But yeah, no, I'm just like I don't want to not be here for 4 to 5 days. Although it would be nice to have floors. It's just kind of ridiculous. Thank you for blessing us with this unique soundscape. You're welcome, I think. Right. Alright, cool. Now that people are here, I gotta use the bathroom, so how do you like that? Well, it's a good thing I'm not a vibe coder. So I don't need an MCP. Yes, hi Vimala. Hi Miguel. Saw my closure talk while not having used it? Oh wait, what do you mean my closure talk? Which one? Ugh. Ugh. Room heater? No, I just have my like built-in heat system. Oh, the Funk Prog Sweden? I don't even remember what that talk was about. Ugh. Oops. Oh, functional design. Oh, right. Wow. Oh, God. Heat is built into me. I'm usually really cold. Like I'm usually a cold person. Very pretty this morning. I feel really ugly. I did not sleep very well. I've got like some sinus bullshit going on. I'm gonna try and go to the gym today, I think, later, because it helps. It helps like clean out my sinuses, maybe. Government provides for heating? No, I have to pay I have to pay for the electricity that makes the heater go. Mm. I have breathe right strips, but they're like actually terrifying because they pull up way too much. I'm like, whose noses are these made for? Like my nose, despite having a deviated septum, is pretty delicate. It's a pretty delicate little nose, right? The big like breathe right strip that turns it into a fucking bat on my face. Pilates classes? No, I'd love to do yoga again though. But of course, I don't have any fucking floors to do yoga on, so. And somehow I don't think putting yoga mat on top of like a foam mat is gonna be very good for posture. I'm the heating system because I'm hot. Honestly, that checks out. If I'm like TBH, 100% that checks out. Man, I really should have bought like a Celsius or something because I already want another cup of coffee, a third cup of coffee. It hasn't even been like I haven't even been up for like 2 hours. I want like 3 cups of coffee. Madagascar 3. Secretly, did I? I don't think so. Maybe I did buy decaf by mistake. Actually, I don't think so. Hang on, let me see. Nope. Not decaf. Get sleeping. It's hard to start the day, and then because you don't sleep well at night, and then people think you're not streaming, so then they don't come and watch the stream. Vim Diesel. I'm also like crazy thirsty, I've noticed. Like I'm just like constantly dry. Like I need to drink tons and tons of water all the time. I had 2 glasses of water as soon as I woke up. Like the fuck? Like why am I so thirsty all the time? It's a pretty good name. It is a good name. Vim Diesel, that's perfect for just like a nerd software developer. Nerd. Nerd. Especially when I eat salt. Yeah, I also noticed that I'm like very salt sensitive now. Like if I've like salted fries, I had salted barely salted sweet potato fries for dinner yesterday. I need like an ocean of like fresh water. Hi Nora. She's live, bitches. Oh, Nora, I love how you just like totally just like clocked me in the Discord and you were like, the answer will most likely be no. Like, damn. Did I just spot water? Yeah. Have I ever streamed on a Sunday? I think the last time I streamed on a Sunday when I like actually started streaming and I would stream like every day. Yeah, 3 in a row. Right? Remember? I don't know if you were there for those days, but I've like during the like first 8 weeks of streaming, I streamed every day. I would stream on Sundays, but kind of a little later in the day after I did my shot, because I usually do it Sunday mornings and Wednesday night. Two D's nuts Primeagen. Uh, maybe a little, but also not, because it's basically a meme, right? Hello, Selector. Bless you. Everybody thinks I'm sneezing when I cough. It's because my stupid postnasal drip. Oh, that's right. I went to the kitchen to figure out what I wanted to have for breakfast. What language? It's Clojure. Clojure script. Cough like a grandma? Yeah, it's because I don't have any fucking floors in my apartment. I have asthma and a postnasal drip. Avocado on toast? Ah, actually, I don't have any bread right now. Wouldn't be too bad though. Avocado toast. Both too, and it sucks so bad. It's so, like, terrible. Hmm. Fuck. Uh, Walk with an inhaler. Allergic asthma? I have both allergic and non-allergic, I guess. Hmm. I don't know if I want to cook eggs though. Sad. I should have bought bagels yesterday at the grocery store. That would have been perfect. I would so eat a bagel right now. Everything bagel with some toasted. I have a toaster behind me somewhere. Fucking shit. You might get cool person points. Hmm. That leaves me with not so ripe bananas and cookies for breakfast. Minus the cream cheese part. Yeah, I even looked at like everything bagels yesterday at the store. I should have just bought some. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, we put eggs in the fridge. That's because they're like I guess sanitized or washed a different way. But I have friends from Europe here that keep their eggs in the cupboard anyway, so. Ooh, Tanner X says bougie eggs. Or bagels. Eggs. Jesus. Hang on, okay, hang on. I'm gonna do another take. Yeah, I gotta use the bathroom again now. Because I've had way too much liquid. I've had like 3 cups of water and 2 cups of coffee. Too much. Way too much. Oh, I still didn't decide on any food. Still haven't fixed the floor. No, the floor's still a mess. It's still fucked. Yeah, all of it. Hey, Footlong Icicle, what's up? You know, E300 of the U food marketing thing is vitamin C. I did not know that the E number for vitamin C was 300. Oh, fuck. Alright, I don't know what to have for breakfast. Yeah, I should just have cookies. Even though I've been feeling kind of like I've been gaining weight lately. Cookies for breakfast. Fuck. Too late for Starbucks for me? Oh, you have Starbucks? I had Starbucks yesterday for breakfast. I'm gonna have to have a third coffee here soon. Oh, I don't even really want a third coffee. I just want another hit of caffeine. I would have bought a Celsius, but like Friday, it left me shaking. I was shaking all day from the Celsius on Friday. Especially after stream, I was still like, I could still feel it. Lock in. I'm trying, bro. Fuck. Celsius is an energy drink? No, you're not wrong about unhealthy choices, but I did eat dinner though. I just didn't eat lunch. Advanced.gg. I'm an expert in unhealthy choices. Yes, I know it worsens. Oh god, it's so frustrating. Usually it's manageable, but because of the state of my apartment, it's been like extra bad lately. Just everything has just been extra bad. Ugh. Oh wait, I have like apples and stuff. I bought apples. Why don't I just have an apple? I was trying to scratch my nose off or something. Well, that would be uh, an option, I think. Warming up and staying warm these days. Cookie with apple. It's a whole lot of sugar for breakfast. Too acidic? Are apples acidic? I never thought they were acidic. Not like an orange or something. Orange would definitely be acidic. Fuck, I keep touching the fucking microphone. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I kind of have like really like short views today. Because I just want to fucking hit the stupid microphone so badly. Right. Apple time. Big cookies? You mean fig bars? 90 degrees off center to scratch their nose? Well, that's pretty important, I would say. Being able to scratch your nose in space. Whoa. I forgot how good apples were. I can't remember the last time I had an apple. It's a Honeycrisp apple. Mm-hmm. Yes, it was chilled in the fridge. Thank you, Nora. Apple picking in an orchard? That's cute. Bye, selector. Finish the extension. Yeah, I'm just waiting on approval from Twitch now. I can still see it on my page though. Like if I go sure I don't should still be down here. Yeah, there it is. Persimmons and grapefruits. Hmm. And you're welcome, Noah. No, I couldn't. I can't eat grapefruits. It is pretty cool that I've got a closure raffle in my Twitch profile now. Well, if Twitch approves the extension, which they might not. I could not eat raw almonds. I'd have to eat like I'd have to do something like I have roasted almonds, roasted salted almonds. Yeah. Grapefruit juice can really mess you up. You gotta be careful, dog. Well, it's not about the zestiness of grapefruit. Grapefruit juice literally contains an enzyme that prevents your liver from breaking down medications. So it leads to like increased like blood serum levels of the medication. Or it can lead to reduced blood serum levels of the medication, depending on how, depending on like the metabolic pathway. Not all meds, but a lot. A lot. That's why when you go to the pharmacy and you get a medication, sometimes it says do not take with grapefruit. Like, I am pretty sure this is why most Radlers, like, that's like beer with juice in them. I'm pretty sure this is why most Radlers are grapefruit flavored because it makes the hit of the beer a little more potent, even though it's typically like 3 or 4%. Cranberry, really? I love cranberries. Like craisins and stuff. Right, I'm gonna take my medication, guys. Honestly, an apple is probably a really good idea for breakfast. So, apples contain a natural bronchodilator called Kellen. Share stream. Ah! And yeah, so like I went to a respiratory therapist and they were like, that's the one thing they recommended eating every day was an apple. It was actually like does have somewhat therapeutic effects. Alka-Seltzer for my cough. Hmm. Eepy. Now you're all eepy. I want to be eepy. I should just sleep in. Actually, you know what? If I go full time on content, maybe I'll just sleep in. Start streaming at like 10. I don't know. Apple a day is really healthy, but not apple juice. Sleep is good too. Yo, I fuck with sleep. I love sleeping. But I got too much to do. I got too much to do all day, every day. Oh, me too. I concur. Do you concur? Okay, I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna use the washroom. Uh, I'll be back. Hey, Osloy. Uh, Fuck. Ugh. Hello, cartoon. Enjoy ya. Um, actually, my name is Janet, not Jane. I'll also accept Janetta though, because that's just funny. No, I was just sneezing in the bathroom, so not sick. Jan is okay, I guess. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Oh. God damn it. Keep touching my microphone. It's starting to piss me off. Yeah, I should get like cordless lapel mics or something. Oh. Hey Crash King, what's up? How are you? Family gathering in the US. We're doing Turkey Day. Oh right, it's Thanksgiving today, isn't it? Is it US Thanksgiving today? No, it's Thursday. November 27th. Boo. Oh, goodness, I want another coffee, but everybody's gonna be like, "Ooh, chair stream again." Boost my stream. Everybody loves chair stream. Yeah, should I just stop like being in my own streams and just let the chair do all the work? I see, Osloy. What? Well, I hope you have a good early turkey day. Watching the chair gets boring after 3 minutes. Oh, okay. Well, that makes me feel a little bit better. Oh. Seuss's Diner? I've never heard of it. Is it new? Oh, Rise and Dine? Susie's Rise and Dine. Susie's Rise and Dine. Trying to find it on Google Street View. Newish. Old fashioned one. Neat. They're pancakes with burnt honey butter. That sounds interesting. Oh. Start saying Emacs with a disgruntled voice. God damn it, Emacs. Oh, I'm tired. I can just feel it. You know when you're like you want to do something and then the sleep just wants to take you? So frustrating because I'm doing like everything that I'm supposed to do, but now none of it helps because my nose is fucked. Probably should one of these days. It's fine. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to get used to Emacs. No, I love sleeping for sure, but like I haven't been able to breathe through like one of my nostrils very well for some reason. Like I'm reading before bed and everything so I can fall asleep faster. But just like basically out of the blue, basically since they tore up the fucking floors, I haven't been able to like breathe through one of my nostrils. Yes, actually, I keep finding myself I have to sit up, just like breathe now through like my right nostril. So like my nostril, if my nasal cycle is on the right nostril, I can't breathe when I lay down because I'm a nose breather, right? It's really frustrating. Spa day? No, it's like a structural problem because of like irritation and I have a deviated septum. Ritual complete. We live to see another morning. Oh, come on. Frame my cute face. I also like to think that way about my glasses. I just wish my fucking nose worked right now. Because I could really use like a good night's sleep. The weird thing is I was sleeping so well in New Brunswick. Like I would sleep like 8, 9 hours, no problem. But basically, since I've come back here, like I just can't. I sleep like 4 hours at max. It takes me like 2 to fall back asleep again. So I'll usually fall asleep like right before my alarm goes off or something. The Shire from Lord of the Rings. Kind of. It was like much more poor. Okay, I'm gonna make another cup of coffee because I'm like falling asleep, so Oh man, I'm cranky this morning. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm pretty cranky this morning. Secret unlock for cuteness? Yes, they are. I concur. 100%. New Brunswick Maritimers was a sports team. What would they compete in? Definitely, yeah, curling or hockey. Oh, it tastes horrible. Oh, yeah. It's instant. It's instant coffee. Still. Oh, fuck. Barely like choke it down. Ugh. Always tastes like chemicals. Ugh. Yeah. I don't know. I usually buy good instant coffee that doesn't taste like terrible, but they were out of like the one that I usually buy, which is the light roast. So I had to go with a medium roast. It's not my cup of coffee, I guess. Yes, I have a coffee machine. It's dirty. My life is fucking chaos right now. Also, there's a reason I don't use the max function. Um, because I don't know how to implement it in ClojureScript. You know, buy a clean one. Look, I just have a lot to do all the time, and sometimes things aren't like very high on my priority list. Ugh. Although, yeah, drip coffee would probably be a lot better than this garbage. A lot going on, too much going on. I've been trying to get off this fucking too much going on train for a long time now. I'm trying to be energetic today and stream, but it's just not happening. Like my body is just resisting so hard right now. The train never stops. I'm fine with the train, like, not stopping. I just need, like, to have less stuff on my plate. Which is what I originally planned to do by now. Like, the original plan was to finish this, like, gig and have less stuff, you know? And also stop talking about it because I'm gonna fucking shoot myself in the foot at some point. Stainless steel filter that fits in my cup. Oof. Light mode flashbang. That's a Reason ML. Never heard of it. I like it when I come up with like cool project ideas and then I get excited to work on them. I just want to do that. I basically defaulted to this project because I couldn't come up with an idea in time. Like Friday's project was really cool. Pretty fun. Kind of easy. Maybe a little too easy if I'm being honest. Because I did it in like a few hours. Cash. Ah, yes, KDE. Hmm. Well, that's where all the flavor went. My creamer seems to be at the bottom. Hmm. Oh, interesting. Ooh, time to eat some chicken? Chicken for breakfast? Incidents? Cashed out 1.2 in Bitcoin. Coming from Janet, who's gonna eat cookies. Okay, that's fair. Oh, roast chickens? Oh. Fat equals Flavor Town. Flavor Town. Flavor Country. Hmm. Clearly, I have a song stuck in my head. New time. New time. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay. Borked, yeah. That's how I know something is broken. Now what? Hey, Harry. What's up? Oh, snap. Dan Vale. Subscribe for 6 months. Happy 6 months, babe. Well, thank you for the 6 months, Dan. Hmm. Oh gosh, now I gotta use the bathroom again. See, oddly, this works if I put it up here in the update function, but if it's not... Oh, wait, what? Hang on. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Well, may as well. Print line. Oops. Yeah, basically, if I try to do the state broadcast here instead of in the update method, everything just locks up, so I don't know what's going on. TBH. Okay. And then it just stops. It literally, the whole simulation just stops. Maybe the WebSocket closes? Yeah, I'm trying to, Oreo. It's not going very well. Because I'm kind of a shit developer when I'm tired. Maybe this is why. Oh my god. Yeah, it's just sending updates way too fast to the front end. It's like in the same second, in the same instant in time, it's sending like 4 or 5 messages. So it's probably just too much for the front end to process, which is why it locks up. I'm guessing. Even though my server should literally not even be super fast whatsoever. It's supposed to be like 10 frames per second. Programming games really, really, really hard and really frustrating. Alright, you know what? Mr. fucking Smarty Pants GPT? Tell me, foo. Yeah, I know the loop structure is correct, but why does it keep spinning at like a billion frames per second? Mm-hmm. Physics runs at 100 hertz? No, it doesn't. Pretty sure there's only 10 delta times in 0.1. Oh, you're just not gonna fucking work. Okay. First, succinct responses, asshole. Only. 100 hertz? That no, it doesn't make sense. If it was 100 hertz, man, my brain hurts. Thousands of times per second. Okay, fine. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Oh my god. Why am I so dumb? I feel like I've gotten so dumb lately. Like, I just feel stupid. I think for the past like 6 months, I've just felt like actually stupid. Make a tasteless joke? Maybe don't, because you might piss me off. Yeah. No, this makes sense. This makes sense because this is a render loop, not a broadcast loop. Oh, fuck. How can I make that mistake? Uh, feel like I'm having a stroke again. Jesus. Okay, hang on. I gotta use the bathroom. I can't think and hold my bladder. Oh my god, I'm just a piss rocket today. What's the mistake? Just ChatGPT trying to gaslight me again. I am pretty sure it is running at 100 frames per second though. That's what I don't understand. But like 0.01 times 10 is 0.1. So what about the though? Oh. There should be 10 ticks of like physics here before we fuck off. Single hit. What? You're not even. You're not reading the. What the fuck? There's no way this is right. Oh my god. N equals 0.1. Like, what are you talking about? Assuming your time spent in each tick is under the delta. Well, I'm arguing about it with the, like, arguing with it about the physics simulation. Because I'm like, whatever what it's saying is not making a whole lot of sense to me. Sit straight up and remain hydrated. Thank you, I think. Yes, I know. Yes, I know about the too many messages issue. Oh my god, I'm gonna scream. Time is always a nightmare. Well, it's just confusing me because it's like not how it should spin. Like that's not that's not what it is. Whatever, fuck it. That doesn't make sense though. It just still doesn't make sense to me. Broadcast. I know. Edit. But like, oh, it's so frustrating. I just, like if I just make delta time equal to the frame, oh, that's gonna fuck up the physics simulation. Make delta time 0.1 is going to affect client physics too. Like it just doesn't fucking make sense. Like that doesn't make sense though. That's an order of magnitude higher. Like that really doesn't make sense. Time zone? I'm in the Eastern American time zone. So Toronto, largely. Mm-hmm. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. Who cares? Doesn't fucking matter. Well, I guess the math makes sense if you do like 1 second divided by 10. Maybe I should do amphetamines or something. Jesus. Brain might actually function half the time. We're still sending way too many fucking messages though, aren't we? Uh, oh wait, hang on. I need that here. Yeah, there you go. Return it, destructure it. Okay. God, maybe I am just a dummy. Or maybe I just take on projects that are like way too hard. Then I get mad at myself when I'm not like whizzing through them, you know? Okay, great. Look at that. Okay. Network, let's get rid of the delay just to be sure. Oof. How brutal. Kind of works. But I feel like this is the same problem. Like this may as well just be up here. This may as well just be part of this. Oh, great. Oh, lovely. Everyone's a dummy until they're not. Gandhi, probably. Oh, feels stupid, man. Fuck. Yeah, let's add. Let's just add a timeout. Why not, bruh? Oh, thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Fucking chat chippity. Why is 0 timeout? That doesn't make sense. Why Parks for like 0 for no for nothing? I know what it does. I know what it does. Fuck, I fucking hate it when it does that shit. God, it's so frustrating. Just like, why did you use this? Oh, it's basically this super simple explanation. I know that. I know what it does. Why don't we want to, like, spin the loop as fast as possible? Like, I suppose it's not a render loop, but still. If I do this, how is this any different than just broadcasting after each update? It's not different. I know it's not different. I can't win. I can't fucking win. Great. Development of staging environment can take up to 4 hours. Wow, developer experience. I've quit jobs because of developer experience. Like, bad developer experience is such a, like, killer for a lot of like work, because it makes everything super, like, burnout prone, right? If you have to wait hours and hours and hours, you're gonna be context switching a lot between tasks. Every LLM ever being questioned by Janet. Mosh never strayed from updating via FTP. Who are you? Levels IO? Jeez. Oh my god. Maybe I should just move again. Screw it. I'm out. Not that much code. Hey, Code. Code by Mahesh. What's up? I'm trying to predict the state of the next server frame, but I'm just getting more and more mad at ChatGPT instead. Mm-hmm. Finally focus on coding. I've been focusing on it for like the past hour, haven't I? Oh. Oh my god! Why is this so stupid and so fucking broken? Like literally every time I try and copy and paste something from ChatGPT, it doesn't, like the clipboard doesn't work. So I always paste some other bullshit and then I get a long-winded explanation that's like slows everything down. So then I have to highlight what I want and I hit Command C like 1,000 times to make sure that's in the clipboard. Too cranky. I'm too cranky for this bullshit. Too cranky, man. Pass on drinking fountain betty. And I have a headache. So there's that. Global permissions thing. But no, like I can right click and copy to the clipboard anything else. But for some reason, ChatGPT, I have to click copy like 3 or 4 times before it gets into the fucking clipboard. It's so frustrating. Like what I think they're not doing is they're not handling like events properly. Um like browser events properly. Like they're doing like prevent default too many times or something. Uh which just drives me crazy. Especially when I'm like in the middle of like something or I'm like working through something and then I've got to like literally stop ChatGPT, wait a few seconds, break my flow, and then I've got to get angry. Am I hangry? I don't think so. Like I'm not hungry. I'm just cranky. I'm tired. Fuck. Gemini, it's better. I don't know what the meat. Oh, I get render time. How do I? Like, you're not. You're just like, you're either overblowing the explanation or not really explaining anything at all. Fuck. Used tool, it's better. What I should have done is I should have, instead of wasting my time with this bullshit, is I should have. I think I would rather shoot myself in the face than have an LLM in my IDE. I'm not a fan of IntelliJ for Clojure. I think, yeah, like I should have just been reading the Quake source code instead of fucking talking with this stupid fucking clanker. My God. Hey, peoples. Daily last night. Level easy. Yeah, but that's because LeetCode is stupid. I don't understand why it can't just give me just enough information. If I say be succinct, it gives me too little information. And then when it explains something, it's like it gives me an essay almost. It's so frustrating. What, reading the Quake source code? Well, like that's where the original like client-side prediction algorithm is. And obviously it works. I don't have the patience for this. I need to sleep. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, I have a pounding headache now from raging so much. Hmm. Claude? Yes, I've tried Claude. They're all fucking terrible. Mm-hmm. How often do I synchronize client and server clocks? Claude? Helping you stare more at your code than you code? Well, it's just I'm trying to learn something and I don't know. I feel like either I'm like just really tired, which I am really tired, or this is getting worse for learning stuff. Server snapshot. Okay. Drift correction. Me too! Compute the offset. And then predict server, estimated server time. Since we should only get server snapshots every 10th of a second. Mm-hmm. Ugh. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I've had too much coffee today. Already. Mm. Most of the time not writing any actual code. Well, when I'm in the flow, I'm fine. I'm just like, man. Just want to sleep some more. I feel like that meme where the guy has like all the cigarettes. You know, he's like, oh. Apparently, uh, this do need server time. Oh. Game development, unfortunately, yes. It's like fucking hate myself, apparently. I can't even think straight. Hmm. Nope. 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 Everyone is tired and deserving of a nap. Dude. Fighting insomnia for weeks. Man, I don't envy that. Ugh. Trip to Canadian Tire. Well, good luck. Server time. Fucking server time. Fucking server time, man. Oh, this is all sorts of fucked up. Why? Why did I have to make a multiplayer game? I could have just made a single player game. It would have been fine. Had to be multiplayer. Thanks, Tessa. Resync every frame. Ugh. Make 2D games smooth. I've always wanted to make a multiplayer game. I just didn't think of it make me want to pull my hair out. Set when a server arrives. Handler is quite removed from the current and local. This is difficult. Predictions like determinism? Not really. It. Alright there, Clanker. Mm-hmm. Offset. This. Performance. Oh no. Great. ST. What do I do with estimated server time? Single player promise, multiplayer is future DLC. Well, it's a browser game, so it's not exactly DLC. Hmm. Or version 2? About to head out. Alright, take off. Or take off. Have a good one, Osloy. Jeez. Yeah, my brain's not even working this morning. Hmm. Hmm. Again, you're assuming too much about my architecture. See the basic interpolation algorithm. sakes, so frustrating when it does that. Well, I need to keep around more than just one last state, so... Ugh. Oh, man. Okay. Whatever. Yeah, except that's not gonna exist. Not gonna work. Hmm. I feel like I'm reading code, but my brain is just not like interpreting it, you know? Sorted by snapshot T. Fuck. Alright, fuck it. Fine, whatever. Uh... Mm-hmm. Wait, this doesn't work, actually. Oh, God. I really wish I had a Celsius this morning. I kind of regret not getting one. Oh. Hi, Judy. Thank you for the 7 months of tier 3. That is amazing. Actually amazing. Should I make a function for this? That's fewer than 2 snapshots if count. Were you 4 times as productive? How's the vibe? I mean, the vibe is. Hmm. His vibe is cranky with spoonful of bad headache. Yeah. Geez, sorry. I really didn't expect to be so cranky. Oh. Ugh. Mm-mm-mm. A few snapshots. Oh, that's not gonna work. Ugh. Subvec. Uh, yeah. Ugh. Oh shoot, we got raided. Yes, Cranky is definitely the usual morning vibe. Thanks for the raid, T2. Hope you had a good stream. Hello, raiders. Hey, Vicule. Subvec V. Fuck. And odds. Subvec and band. Finally fixed kernel, Linux kernel, Nouveau, NVIDIA bug. Jeez. I'm sitting here thinking that I'm doing hard stuff, but T2 is just on another level. Oh, well, hopefully there's 2 snapshots in there. Lerp. Oh. That's not gonna work. Fuck. But you could have done more. I see what you did there. I guess it would work if I just mapped it. Hmm. Oh God. Right. Oh I gotta use the bathroom again, everyone. I'll be right back. Oh. Oh. Ah. Cheers streams so last week. Yeah. My God. Part of me, I feel like part of like what I think like part of what's made this so difficult is trying to adapt like my original like 2D game framework or architecture to this multiplayer like client side prediction thing, cuz the more and more I like do it, the more and more I realize that it's just in the way all the time. Which is pretty frustrating. On unpaid leave, ordered small trains? Really? Like a model train set or whatever? Planning my railroad? Predict nothing, expect everything. Ugh. I mean, the param lerp. Well, it's a function. It's supposed to be a linear interpolation, so lerp. Oh, God. Ugh. Oh, God. I'm gonna take a break from this client side predictions shit and build a whole other game, I think. One that works. One that I can play and enjoy. I just need to figure out what that game is. Ugh. Multiplayer is overrated. Mm. Yawning, a big beam of light, Godzilla style. Ugh. Ugh. Well, for now, I guess I could get alpha. Ugh. I'm gonna have to map over all the components. Get in all the physics components. Get in a current. Get in the current. I need a lens. The components of your heart for a BF application. Okay, physics A plus alpha times, nope. Holy, okay. Physics B. No, that's the other way around. It's physics B minus physics A. Alpha times the interpolation of the two previous states. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Finally, something makes fucking sense in my head. God. Same thing. Down here, except I fucked up a parenthesis. Alpha physics. Oh, that's, I want Y, not X. Y. Yeah. Oh, that was right. Jesus. Can't even fucking spell LERP here. 2 alpha. Fuck. State. State second. Oh man, none of this is gonna work. I just know none of this is gonna work. I mean, you structure AX, AY, and BX. by BY in the let? Probably. Yes, we could probably do that, actually. But I already did this, so... Hmm. Hmm. Bistro? I want bistro food. I'm hungry now. I do understand you. Hungry. You had that whole apple earlier. I know. It's almost lunchtime. Distro like bistro? Distro? I'm gonna go to the finest French distro. Fuck. It's so stupid. Oh god. Oh. Had too much coffee today. For sure, bud. Definitely too much coffee. Without a doubt, too much coffee. Uh, fuck. Oh, I need the render components as well. Alright, whatever. Fuck it. Mm. Stage 1. Oh, it's horrible. It's so terrible. You love it when I curse? Whatever. Let's throw the graphics component in there. How the fuck is this gonna work? This is not gonna work whatsoever. Oh, it's just not gonna work. God, that's a lot of code to write and not know if it works. Ugh. Render T. I have the values right there. Why don't I just do it right there instead? Instead of mapping over it. I don't know. This isn't gonna work, I don't think. Definitely not gonna work. I can't even type. I'm like, my fingers aren't moving. I'm cooked, chat. Well, these aren't even part of the scene, really. So how... Well, I guess I create them every time, but if I create them every time... No, it's not gonna work. But I don't want to create... What? Oh, God. Well, if it's existing, maybe not. Maybe not. Who fucking knows? Lovely. And indentation of last state. It's a fucking mess, man. It's a fucking mess. Of course, there's nothing. Oh wait, I still need to actually do this though for the player. Hmm. Oh, this is fucking insane. Oh, permaforance not found. Yep. This is what I object. Oh. Yeah. That's why. Fuck me. I have to go soon. The floor guy is gonna call me. Alright, well, we rendered something. Protocol for null? Bro. I think I need this condition or something. Go, 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 do it. Oh, okay, so we got something. Peak for index sequence? Fuck. Where did I call peak? Somebody tell me what line? Right here. Stupid ass fucking shit. Properties of undefined setting X. Fuck. Okay, that sucks. Yep, that's exactly where I thought it was, so... Oh. You like hear me talk? The Control S peak? Yeah, I found it. I know where it was. Graphics. Did I spell graphics wrong or did they just not exist? Property of undefined. Lovely. Sure, that'll work. Probably. Index out of bounds. Okay. That's surprising. Fuck. Nicknames for people you've dated? That's true. You're not wrong. Oh, fuck. There's probably not enough snapshots in there. I don't know how to short circuit it. My brain is not doing the thing right now. In band. Hmm. Hey, Anonymous. Shit. Hello? Hey. Okay. Sure.